Good morning folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's safe, hope everybody's well. So today's video will be the first in a series of videos concerning common situations which people like ourselves frequently encounter during the course of our everyday lives. Now they may relate to DIY projects we're currently undertaking or indeed hope to start, to hobbies we enjoy, or general issues which you might come across which appear to be straightforward initially but which might actually be more complicated than we originally thought. Now the purpose of these videos isn't to give detailed legal advice or guidance on these issues, but to simply alert my viewers about situations they may come across to highlight the major issues in order that they can deal with them in an appropriate manner. Now I want to keep these videos short and sweet to keep them relevant and interesting, and I hope you find them useful. The first video will follow shortly. Thanks for watching.